Welcome back to the channel everyone, and good morning all the subscribers. If you are new on our channel, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. So today for all my subscribers, I have got a very good topic for you, that how to conversation in English with confidently and fluently. Whenever you do a conversation with anyone, with any stranger or with any girl or with your colleagues or your seniors, so what happened basically, sometimes you get nervous while talking with the girls or with your seniors, or sometimes a stranger talk to you in English and you got nervous because of the advanced words. I always believe that if you really want to speak in English, so just speak like a authentic English. Authentic English means that speak with the advanced words. If you really want to be good in conversation with everyone, with anyone, so what you need to do first is just listen. Try to be a good listener. If you want to become a good speaker, so first of all, you should be a good listener. Whenever you are talking with someone, even he's your senior, or you are talking with any girl, or you are talking with any stranger, or with your colleagues, so just listen what the person is saying, try to understand, and then give your answer. Don't get hurry to give your answer. You can be puzzled, or you can be nervous, or you can forget the words that what you really want to say. So I would like to tell you that first of all, be a good listener. And for the listening practice, you can do so many things, like you can write down also. You can listen audiobooks. Audiobooks are available on the Kindle. Kindle is it's a platform of Amazon. You can listen the audiobooks in the Google Play Store also. There are the audiobooks available right now. So you can go and listen the audiobooks. Another thing you can do for becoming a good listener, you can watch English media. English media means English news channel like BBC and all that. So just go and listen. Or while you are traveling, so you can just tune the English radio so that you can listen properly and listen with the effectively. Whenever you find any new words while listening, so just keep that word save in your mind, and you can use that word in your speech next time. You can listen one more thing if you are interested in cricket. If you are interested in cricket, so you can listen the cricket commentaries. You can find out the people, those who are giving the cricket commentary, they are well and good in English. So if you will listen them, so one thing will be going to happen, your pronunciation will become better, because you can listen a proper pronunciation and authentic pronunciation of a word. A pronunciation, if you are pronouncing a word in a well manner, so it will give a good impression in front of the others. Like if you are speaking in a well manner, and if you know the pronunciation better, so it will impress others. You can impress others with your speech. But if you are pronouncing not so good, not in a manner, so it will give a bad impression. Like if you are giving an interview in a company, and you are sitting in an office and giving your interview, so what will be happen if you are giving the interview? So if you are giving the interview in a proper knowledge of pronunciation, so it will impact in front of the people, those who are taking your interview, because you know the English well and you are speaking in the English in a well manner. Well manner means that you are taking a proper pause between the words and you are speaking fluently also. Speaking fluently doesn't mean that you are speaking word by word, but you should take a pause between the words. That is called a real fluency in English, because fluency means that you are speaking the words or the sentences with a fluency. You are not skipping any word and not even taking a long pause between the words. But taking a pause, it is much important between the speeches if you really want to speak in English. And your confidence will also grow day by day if you will practice daily. If you will practice, if you will listen every day, like you will listen, you can opt anything, you can opt audiobooks or you can English media. So you can go for anyone from these topics, from these audiobook or the English media. So it's up to you, it is your choice. But whenever you are speaking with someone, whenever you are doing a English conversation with anyone, so try to listen first. Be a good listener. What the other person is saying, you should proper understand, because if you properly understand what the other person is saying, only then you can communicate. Otherwise, you will not be able to communicate in English if you are not understanding. If you really want to understand, so you have to try to listen. Because when you watch English media or any English news channel, you will see the people, those who are speaking over there, those who are giving their speeches, they are speaking authentic English and with the confidence and the fluency. So if they can speak, you can also speak. Yes, you can speak, but you have to work hard. You have to work smart also. Like you are traveling, for example, you are just traveling and watching outside. So you can, by watching outside, you can also listen. You can also listen. So two things will be happen. You will enjoy your journey and you will learn also. That's all you want. If you really want to be a good English speaker, so you should do this exercise to make sure that you can be a good speaker one day. I hope you will like the video for today. That's all for today. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. Thank you so much.